Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get blue butterfly emoji on Android. So in the first step, open your web browser and type butterfly emoji. Now choose the Emojipedia and copy the emoji. Now we can open the keyboard, choose the 4 square icon and go to the clipboard. Now just hold the finger on it and choose pin. Now you can use this emoji wherever you want from the clipboard. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.